The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to talk about changes to the way spousal maintenance, also known as alimony, is treated under the new 2018 tax law. So the new tax law goes into effect after December 31st, 2018, and what it does is it makes spousal maintenance payments tax-free to the recipient, and it eliminates tax deductions for the person paying the maintenance payment. So where previously the person making the maintenance payments could take them as a tax deduction, they can no longer do so, but the recipient now gets them tax-free and it doesn't count as part of their income, where previously it did. So you might ask, who stands to benefit under this? And the answer is the government does, because this is essentially a way for the government to raise revenue. Previously, under the old law, when the payer could take tax deductions, typically the person making the maintenance payments was in a higher tax bracket than the person receiving them. So you've got now the person in the higher tax bracket taking the deduction on the payment in the previous setup of the law, and the person in the lower tax bracket having to pay the taxes on the payment. Well, now, according to the new law, the person in the higher tax bracket, the person paying the maintenance payment, is the one that actually has to pay taxes, so the government gets to tax that same payment at a higher rate. Now, the problem with this is that judges take into account the tax consequences of maintenance payments when deciding how to award maintenance payments. So the fact that the person who is paying the maintenance could take them as a tax deduction encourage judges to give larger maintenance awards. Now we expect that if judges continue to take that into account, the tax consequences, which we expect that they will, we might get some lower maintenance awards in divorce cases, and it may be more difficult to negotiate alimony as part of a divorce. So that's the long and short of how the new tax law will affect maintenance payments. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section. Feel free to call us for an initial consultation. Thanks.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.